What's up, guys? Mr. Garrow here, getting you started here with our Unit 2 first assignment, Assignment 2.1. I want to go over a couple of things with you guys in regards to Assignment 2.1. It's going to follow the same format that most of our other assignments have followed this year. So you're going to get it on Monday, it's due on Sunday, it follows the same steps. But I want to make sure to highlight a couple of things as you go through it, and then also wanted to point out a couple of changes to the homepage here. If you're in World Studies, I want to point out this link right here on the main homepage. This is a direct link to the issues and controversies. So if for some reason the linking on the assignment is giving you problems and you're having issues, you can always try and click this link, which will take you directly to the issues and controversies page. And if for some reason you need to enter a username and password, I have also included those on there. The username is nthurston and the password is student. Usually what happens is once you've logged in once using your school Chromebook, it should remember your login, but if something happens and it doesn't, this is one way where you can get in and find the article each week. So I want to make sure I point that out to you. If you click that link, it's going to direct you here, and it might ask you to enter the username and password. There you go. You get those entered, and you go ahead and log in. And once you've logged in, you're going to be in the basic issues and controversies page. Okay. From there, you should be able to go over here and look for the article that you need for either U.S. history or world history, or you can also search for your article there. So I just wanted to point that out as one option so that you guys understood that you can access those articles in another way. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at assignment 2.1 real quickly. It's not terribly different than any of the other assignments you guys have had. I'm going to pull up my World Studies assignment here, but the format is the same for U.S. history. You're going to do the same thing you've done each week. Open the assignment, make a copy for yourself. Once you've made that copy, you're going to come down here and you're going to go through and complete the steps. Okay, and so I just wanted to reiterate a couple of things to you. One, please make sure you're following the steps and you're watching the teacher-provided videos. You're going to include it. This week you're going to have the 2.1 video you're watching right now. There's also some refresher videos about how to take notes and how to do a one-paragraph write. And there will be a content video as well from Miss Alvord for you to watch there. Okay? And you've got links to your timeline and your background information. And then you're going to have a couple more outside source videos. Okay? I do want to make sure that I highlight that we still need you guys to be taking the 6 W's format notes, okay? Who, what, where, when, why, and how. And you're going to want to make sure you include that for step 5 and step 6 and step 7, okay? And step 7 usually deals with a conclusion article and then a different article as well to kind of add some context to the reading. So please make sure you're taking the 6 W's into your note taking. Also, don't want you guys to forget about typing your sentence, your summary here in 3 to 5 sentences. Okay? Again, you are still expected to type the summary for steps 5, 6, and 7 for this week's assignment. So you should be doing that. And then finally, on your note-taking parts in steps 5, 6, and 7, you also need to write down your question you have after reading. This is where we know you've thought critically about what you just read, and you're questioning the article as you have gone through and started to formulate your own opinion. Okay, so you've read the articles, you've taken notes, you've summarized, you've questioned, you've done that for your conclusion. You've got everything here, and now you're down here to step 8 again. And yes, you are still doing a 1-paragraph write this week. Okay, assignment 2.1 is a 1-paragraph write, and your 1-paragraph write has to have all the pieces of a 1-paragraph essay. That includes your introduction with a thesis. That includes your evidence, right? So the evidence you've pulled out of your notes from your readings. That includes the counterclaim where you address the other side, and that includes the conclusion. Okay, and so what we should see, because this is assignment 2.1, you've done a couple of different reading and note-taking and writing assignments up to this point. We should see improved 1-paragraph essays right here in this box when you turn it in. Okay, so I just want to make sure that I reiterate that you guys watch the videos, you do all of the steps necessary, Okay, so step 1 all the way through step 8, you complete everything, and you type a great essay there, you're going to be just fine for assignment 2.1. So please, please, please make sure you're following all the steps. You are still doing all the notes, you're still doing the summaries, you're still doing the questioning, and you are doing a 1-paragraph write this week for assignment 2.1. All right? So hopefully that helps clear things up for you guys, and I look forward to reading your writing. As always, go Rams.